This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying compatibility. Check if your LG TV supports Miracast, AirPlay 2, or Chromecast built-in, because the procedure depends on that. Once done, make sure the TV and your phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network. Use a wired Ethernet for the TV if stability matters. Next, open the TV's screen share or AirPlay menu and enable Wi-Fi Direct or the corresponding receiver mode. Then on your device, open its casting option so the TV becomes discoverable. Now initiate the actual connection. On your phone, tablet, or Windows laptop, open Cast or AirPlay and pick the LG TV name. On Mac OS, use AirPlay from the menu bar. If a PIN appears on the TV, enter it on the source device to pair securely. Make sure to set the resolution and orientation on the sending device to match the TV. This avoids letterboxing or distorted scaling. Finally, confirm the incoming stream on the TV's screen share or the selected input so audio and video start. To finish, stop casting from your device or press the TV home/input to return to normal use. The session ends immediately. If you experience lag, reduce resolution or move to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, or connect the TV or sender via Ethernet for lower latency. This often fixes stutter. If the TV does not appear, restart both devices, toggle Wi-Fi Direct, and confirm firewall or privacy settings aren't blocking discovery. These troubleshooting steps typically resolve most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.